Hey everybody, Drew Renshaw here at the Beachside Bungalow. We're going to do a quick walk around of the larger side. Larger side is to the left with the double doors. The smaller side is this over here with the single wooden door. But we're going to walk through the larger side right now. It's pretty clean. A few of my items are laying about, but not much. So there's the kitchen on one side and the fridge and the rest of the kitchen. And dining area, seating for 6 if you were friends with the folks next door, or you had a whole family that and rented both sides. You could come eat over here. Entertainment center, TV, DVD player, cable. Back doors to the ocean. Living room area. We'll go back out to the front bedroom. It has twin beds and its own bathroom. See, there's a few of my things. And front bedroom with twin beds and a washer and dryer in the closet there. And the master is over here. My suitcase and whatever else. I kind of made the bed up, not real well, but you get the idea. Owner's closet, and this is the bathroom for the master. Same as the other bathroom, basically. And then this is really why you're here. The back porch. We have a 2-person hammock. It's lots of fun. We have 4 beach chairs for the beach. And this is where you'll be spending a lot of your time, for sure. Hanging out, watching the beautiful ocean, maybe eating breakfast or lunch here. That's the master bedroom windows and doors. There's a little tiki toss game that we have installed right here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a string up on the ceiling. And we have these cute little twinkle lights that are really enchanting at night. We have a wash bucket for your feet to keep the sand out of the house. And you go out these gates and walk down the path. There's the barbecue pit if you want to cook a fish or whatever that you get at the fish market. And here's our beach. Generally pretty empty all the time. When there's a cruise ship here on the island, there'll be a few people milling around here and there, but nobody will be sitting on our beach at all. So I'm walking back up to the smaller side porch. There's the larger side porch. This is the smaller side porch. We'll do a tour of that later on a different video. And then this is the bike storage room. Probably dark in here. But we've got bicycles, a bunch of my stuff, saws and whatever. We keep our fins and snorkel masks all in these shelves, and play toys and extra chairs. Somebody left the beach ball. And the washer and dryer for the other smaller side unit. And our driveway. And that's about it. quick tour of the beachside bungalow.